Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you an exceptional and beautiful story from Skanda Purana, and the name of the story is Hanumadiswara. So let me begin the story. You know, after killing Ravana, Rama um, said that he had incurred the Brahma Hatya sin by killing Ravana because Ravana was a great Brahmin. So he very politely asked to all the sages and the Brahmins, those who were present there, कि, "O Lord, tell me how can I be free from this Brahma Hatya sin? What should I do for this?" Then all the sages, the great Brahmins, they said, कि, "O Lord Rama, O the scion of Raghuvansa, just listen. If you can install a Shivalinga, then that will be better for all the people and for you also. You can be free from your sin." Thus Lord Ramachandra thought of installing Shivalinga. He looked at Hanuman and said, "O Hanuman, go immediately to Kailas and fetch a Shivalinga from there. We will install that Shivalinga." Then Hanuman he became very happy because Lord Rama had commanded him. So he clasped his arms and leapt into the sky. He reached at Kailas mountain. There he searched a lot, but he couldn't get any linga. Neither he could see Lord Shiva and Parvati. Then he put the kusa grass, and on its tip he sat there, raised his hands, and he started penances. After doing this, Lord Shiva and Parvati appeared before him, and he got the Shivalinga. Now, by this time, when Hanuman was at Kailas mountain, that time, the time was running out for the installation of Shivalinga. So the Brahmin said, ki, "O Rama, do it quickly because there is no more time. You cannot put Shivalinga, you cannot install Shivalinga at any time. So better the Shivalinga which is made by Sita Maya, that sand Shivalinga, you put it that and start your prayer. Because after a while, only that time when Lord Ramachandra asked Hanuman to bring the linga, only 2 muhurtas were left. And when Hanuman reached there and searched, by that time was running out and very little time was left. That is why the Brahmins requested Rama to put the sand Shivalinga prepared by Sita. And Lord Ramachandra was bound to do that. So he installed the sand Shivalinga and started his prayer and all other means the things which were necessary. Now, when the pujas was started and all the Brahmins, Lord Ramachandra, Lakshmana and Sita, everybody was engaged in the prayer, at that time Hanuman reached there with the Shivalinga that he brought from Kailas. Now, when Hanuman saw that his Lord has already started the prayer and has already installed the Shivalinga, he got very angry. Then immediately he said, with tearful eyes, he was very angry, and with tearful eyes and choked voice he said, "O Lord, I am so unfortunate, I am unlucky, I am a wretched fellow, and no woman should give birth a child like me. Perhaps I am destined to get only the stress and pain. Look, O Lord, because of your command, I went to Kailas. I didn't get anything there. Neither I could see Lord Shiva and Parvati. And there I started my penances, raising my hands upward. And also, I got the Shivalinga. You told me to bring it. And now you have installed the Shivalinga of Sita Maya. Oh Lord, I know you, Sita Maya is more favorite to you, and Lakshmana as, uh, uh, is also favorite to you. But who am I? I am a wretched fellow. My life is like this only to get the pain. I am not worthy of anything. Thus Hanuman went on lamenting and saying all these painful words, mean very emotional words. And when he said all these things, Lord Rama smiled and said, Ki, O Hanuman, there is no one more dearer than you to me. You are the dearest one. Why do you think that I have kept the Shivalinga, and sand Shivalinga of Sita in favor? No, the time was running out, and that was the Shivalinga was supposed to be installed in the auspicious Muhurta. That is why the Brahmins requested me, commanded me, and I did that. Oh Hanuman, there is no reason at all for which you should say all these things. Then he also went on saying some philosophical words. Ki, O Hanuman, who is dearer to me? And after all, get the true knowledge. You are a brahmachari and you are the greatest devotee of mine. And you know everything. You are so learned. You know what is Atma. What for you are lamenting and you are weeping for this small matter? Why do you think that your um, means whatever you tried went on futile? It's not like that, Hanuman. Try to understand. You are quite knowledgeable and you are a true devotee. When Lord Rama said all these things, Hanuman was not in a condition to listen to him. Then at last Lord Rama said, Ki, O Hanuman, the linga you have brought, if someone will not see your linga and watch mine, then there is no point. They can't get any punya phala. So if a person take the bath in Dhanuskoti and see your Shivalinga, then they will be blessed. So don't feel like that you are ignored. It's not like that. Put this Shivalinga here and everybody will call it as Hanumadeshwara. Then still Hanuman was in a doubt and he was not convinced. Then Lord Rama said, Ki, O Hanuman, do one thing. If you feel bad, then I told you because the time was running out, that is why I did it. Better you should remove this, if you have strength, remove this sand Shivalinga and install yours. And that will be worshipped everybody and forever. And this one will become a Tirthasthana. So you do it. When Lord Ramachandra said this, Hanuman became very happy and he went to lift that sand Shivalinga which was made by Sita Maya and installed by Lord Ramachandra. When he applied all his strength, he couldn't move it to an inch even. Then what he did, Hanuman thought that he has enough strength. He just encircled the linga with his tail and then he tried to pull it out and applied both his hands on the ground to pull it. Whatever he did, he failed. And you know what happened that time? When he applied all his strength and tried to pull out, he just flew to the sky and he fell on the ground in the distance of 3 kilometers from the linga. Mane, when he applied his force, automatically he flew up and fell on the ground, and that was a distance of 3 kilometers. Not only that, he started vomiting blood. Blood came out from his nose, his eyes, his mouth, everywhere. And he was unconscious. Looking at Hanuman's condition, Lord Ramachandra, Sugriva, Lakshmana, Sita, all the Brahmins, sages, everybody ran to the spot where Hanuman fell down. Then Lord Ramachandra, very softly, very out of love and affection, he put Hanuman's head on his lap, his body on his lap, and just very fondly he moved his hands over his body. Even Sita Maya started crying and she moved her fingers on Hanuman's body. Ki, oh Hanuman, what happened? Why did you say like this and why did you do this work? And Lord Ramachandra said, Ki, oh Hanuman. Ramachandra also started crying and moving his hands over Hanuman's body. He went on weeping, Ki, oh Hanuman, no one is dearer to me than you. Oh Hanuman, because of you only I just tried to fetch Sita. You are the person who first fetched Sita in Lanka and gave my sign to her and brought a sign from her to me. And oh Hanuman, it was you who saved both me and Lakshman from the Nagafasa. And you are the person who helped to jump over the ocean. Oh Hanuman, there is no one dearer to me. And you did so many things. You killed so many asuras that nobody could do it. Because of you only, I could get strength to fight against Ravana. So, oh Hanuman, what happened to you? It is better you get up and I will sleep on the ground. Thus, all of them started weeping and saying all these things. At last, when Hanuman opened his eyes, he saw that with Shankha Chakra Gada Padma, Lord Ramachandra was standing before him, and the dust of his body was covered with the dust. Sita Maya was there, Lakshmana, Bharata, Satrughna, everybody was there. And he was surrounded by the Vanaras. All after seeing all this, Hanuman joined his hands and went on saying the praise of Lord Rama. Well, after this, he got up, he realized his own mistake, and Lord Ramachandra told him, Oh Hanuman, you ignore the might of Lord Shiva. That is why you got this result hereafter. Never think in that term. And yes, anybody who will come to Gandhamadana and will not have, and I will install your Shivalinga here only, and that will be known as Hanumadishwara. If anyone will not see Hanumadishwara and see Rameshwara, then that will be futile. And anybody who sees Hanumadishwara and Rameshwara and Ramanath, the same, then they will get the Koti Tirtha Phala. Thus, Lord Ramachandra blessed Hanuman, and Hanuman also realized his own mistake. And this is for the first time I came to know from Skanda Purana. This is completely unknown to me. So I think most of the people might not have known this story. Thank you so much. Once again, I will meet you with another story. Today was Tuesday, that's why I thought that I must share this story. Thank you.